Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Ladner, local and long distance movers near me. We ensure client pleasure by ensuring that our services are both professional and efficient. Depending on your needs and preferences, you can choose the number of movers and vehicles to move with. A long distance move is defined as one that is 100 miles or more. Long distance moving is provided by 3 Movers. We will be there to satisfy your requirements whether you are relocating inside the state, across the states, or across the country. To make your relocation go as smoothly as possible, our staff provides exceptionally hands-on services and support. By loading and unloading your cargo, we relieve you of the stress of lifting heavy weights. We also supply packing materials if you require them. If you are unable to pack yourself, we will do it for you. You don't have to be concerned about the protection of your possessions, since we promise to deliver services that are quick, efficient, and secure. A local move is one that is less than 100 miles long, whether it be across town, within the state, or even across the state. 3 Movers provides local moving services to meet your local moving requirements. Moving takes time, and short distance relocations are no exceptions. You won't have to bother about renting a truck or moving your belongings because you can allow us to be the ones to worry about finding our way to your new home. In no time, we'll assist you transport and manage your stuff across town. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Ladner moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.